In this video, I'm going to show you what immediately invoked function expression, aka IIFE, is, why is it used in JavaScript, and how to use it. So let's get started.
Dev delight, development done right. A flex, it's time to get it hype. Tune in, trust you don't want to miss. Teaching you programming and coding and JavaScript.
To declare a function expression, we use a variable name with a function keyword. We can also declare a function in a normal way, such as let me just add some space over here. So we can execute this in the following ways. Now if I refresh, we'll get our function welcome. Welcome for the first time, Alex. And then welcome, Alexander. Now welcome again. I want to show you these two different function declarations before getting into immediately invoked function expression, because the only thing that immediately invoked function expression is a function expression that runs on its own as soon as it's defined. So check this out. Welcome again, version 2. And here we can print out welcome again v2. Let's refresh. And as you can see, welcome again v2 gets cancelled out to our browser, and we immediately executed it with parentheses after we defined it. That is immediately invoked function expression. Now you might say, what if I try to do this without a function name? As you can see, we're already getting an error right here. If I refresh, it will say uncaught syntax error, function statement requires a function name. However, what we can do is wrap a function statement in parentheses. JavaScript will understand that everything within parentheses is a function expression, and to execute this code, we need parentheses. So this is a self-executing anonymous function because we don't have a function name here. We're just defining the code, and then we're executing that code with parentheses. We can also pass a parameter, testing, random var, and if we refresh, as you can see, testing gets console logged. Notice how I started it with the parentheses. So let's look at all of our code here. Now you might be wondering, why is this useful? Well, when we're dealing with a large code base, there could be a lot of different name conflicts, especially when we import different libraries. Also, when we're writing certain parts of our code, which is related, all our variable and function names are scoped to that function, and you cannot access them outside. So you can have different variable names here in our anonymous function, and there won't be any conflicts from outside this code. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you share this with your friends online, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.
Development done right. A flex, it's time to get it hype. Tune in, trust you don't want to miss. Teaching you programming and coding and JavaScript. All about developing the knowledge to succeed. Computer science background, work with many startup companies. A flex, time to give the people your advice. Dev delight, development done right. Hey, yeah, development done right.